know that you will really be part of history. Your names and your faces will go down as part of the history of the University of St. Lasal Basic Education Unit. Not just of the BU, but also all from all private schools here in the division of Bacolod, because we will be the pioneering batch of students who will be taking on the face-to-face classes after 2 years, right? 2 years of suspension of classes and of online distance modality.